Okay, so this guide is called Stop Losing Sleep, How to Get Rid of Bed Bugs Now. You'll get calm, practical steps and reassurance so you can start taking action tonight. Here's the thing. Bed bugs are terrifying, but they can be beaten. This guide gives clear, step-by-step actions you can use tonight and over the next weeks to stop bites and reduce the population quickly. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's important. If you need fewer bites tonight, do the simple things listed here. They work fast and can give you a little sleep to recover and plan. Okay, so start simple. Put a bed bug-proof mattress encasement on the mattress and box spring. Wash and dry bedding and recently worn clothes on the hottest safe setting for at least 30 minutes. Move the bed away from walls and stop bedding from touching the floor to reduce access. This one helped me sleep. Add bed bug interceptors under bed legs to catch climbers and give an early warning. Keep clean items separated in sealed bags or bins so you don't recontaminate them while you work. You'll notice fewer bites fast. These steps buy you breathing room so you can start a full treatment without being exhausted. They're straightforward, fast, and exactly the kind of thing to do tonight to get some sleep. This is the part most people skip. A full plan combines physical controls with targeted sprays and a schedule you stick to until the infestation is gone. Here's what to do first. Prepare the room, declutter into sealed bags, vacuum seams and crevices, and wash bedding on high. Put encasements on and keep interceptors under bed legs. Use a contact spray on live bugs, then a labeled residual spray on cracks and frames, keeping kids and pets away. This one matters. Spray on a schedule, twice a week for a month, then weekly for a few months while keeping encasements and laundering. Check weekly for live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots or blood spots, and keep a simple record so you can see progress. You want this to stick. Bed bugs hide deeply and lay eggs, so a single quick fix won't eliminate them. Combining encasements, interceptors, heat, contact and residual sprays and repeating treatments prevents reinfestation and kills new generations. If you want the specific products we trust to treat bed bugs, click the link below. Those are the items we mentioned in this plan and in the product list. This part answers the big question. How do you know it's over? I'll tell you what to watch for and what to keep doing for months after treatment. You'll know things have improved when you don't see live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 months straight. That usually means the infestation is very likely eliminated. Keep going for a while. Continue using encasements and inspect them for damage. Launder bedding weekly and keep clean and unclean clothes separated. Maintain interceptors and check them weekly so you catch any return early. Don't bring in second-hand upholstered items without inspecting and treating them first. That's a common way infestations come back, so be strict about it until you're certain the problem is gone. If you spot a single live bug after things seemed clean, don't panic. Step up monitoring, resume the treatment schedule, and stay persistent. Bed bugs can be stubborn, but correct methods and steady effort beat them. This is the part I want you to remember. You're not alone, and steady effort restores safe sleep. I'll share a few extra tips that help prevent reintroduction. You're not alone. Many people feel exhausted and hopeless, but a clear routine and steady effort will stop bites and remove infestations. Take it one step at a time, night by night relief, week by week treatment, month by month monitoring. Quick tips. Check luggage and clothing after travel and treat or isolate items if you suspect exposure. Have a travel-size wash and dry plan to launder immediately when you return. If you're in multi-unit housing, talk with neighbors and contain your items during treatment. You can do this. Stay consistent, stay calm, and stick to the plan. For the tools and products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below.